Hello everyone. Welcome back to Ajayastra Maniguru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on various commodities. I'm Neena, and today, on the 24th of May 2024, we have some exciting news about chickpea production in Canada that you won't want to miss. The chickpea industry in Canada is poised for significant growth this year. The Agriculture Ministry has projected a remarkable 58% increase in chickpea production for the 2024-25 season, reaching 2.25 lakh tons compared to the previous season. This surge is driven by farmers opting to plant more chickpeas due to better returns compared to other crops and favorable weather conditions enhancing yield rates. Despite this substantial boost in production, the total availability of chickpeas is expected to rise by only 12%, primarily due to limited carryover stocks from the previous season. We are also anticipating a slight dip in chickpea exports, though surplus stock at the end of the season may see a minor uptick. In the ongoing 2023-24 marketing season, chickpea availability has notably declined. However, exports are projected to peak at 2 lakh tons, driven by increased demand from the European Union and Turkey. This surge in exports, coupled with reduced availability, is expected to significantly decrease the outstanding surplus stock by the season's end. Looking ahead to the 2024-25 season, chickpea prices are expected to decline slightly from their current highs but will remain at elevated levels. To give you some context, the average price of Kabuli gram hit a record $1,065 per ton in the 2023-24 season. Canada faces stiff competition in the global chickpea market from several countries. While exports might decrease compared to last year, carryout stocks are anticipated to rise sharply. This situation creates a complex market dynamic where prices remain high due to competitive pressures and shifting supply and demand. The trend of increasing chickpea cultivation isn't limited to Canada. In the United States, the USDA forecasts a 15% increase in chickpea planting for the 2024-25 season, expanding to 0.4 million acres. This broader trend across North America indicates robust growth in chickpea production. India's recent decision to remove the 66% import duty on Desi Chana has led to a 7 to 10% rise in international prices earlier this month. This policy shift is likely to encourage countries like Australia to expand their chana acreage. However, it might discourage Indian farmers from planting chana next season, potentially increasing India's reliance on imports. Despite the government's estimate of 12 million tons of chana production for 2023-24, trade estimates suggest a lower figure of about 8 million tons, against a requirement of over 9 million tons. This dynamic could further support international chickpea prices and demand, benefiting Canadian producers. In summary, the Canadian chickpea market is set for significant production growth with prices remaining favorable despite global competition. This positive outlook, coupled with evolving market dynamics and policy changes, positions Canadian chickpea producers to benefit in the coming season. That's all for today's update. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Ajayastra Maniguru for more insights and updates on the commodity markets. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.